Chapter 5. Animals around us. Let's know. We see different animals around us. We can find them everywhere on land, in water, in air and under the ground. They are of different shapes, sizes and colors. Some animals, like elephants, are very big. Animals can be classified into different categories. According to the living place. 1. Terrestrials, land. Animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. Lion, tiger, elephant, camel, dog, cat, cow, etc. are terrestrial animals. 2. Aquatic/water animals. Animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Fish, whale, duck, dolphin, crab, etc. are aquatic animals. 3. Amphibians. Animals that can live both in water and on land are called amphibians. Tortoise, crocodile, frog, etc. are amphibians. 4. Aerial animals. Animals that fly in air are called aerial animals. Birds like crow, sparrow, parrot, eagle, etc. are aerial animals. 5. Arboreal animals. Animals that live on trees are called arboreal animals. Squirrels, monkeys, koala bears. Tree lizards are arboreal animals. According to eating habits, herbivores. Some animals depend on plants for their food. They are called herbivores. Cow, goat, horse, sheep, rabbit, etc. are herbivores. Carnivores. Animals that eat only flesh of other animals are called carnivores. Tiger, lion, leopard, crocodiles, etc. are carnivores. Omnivores. Some animals eat both plants and flesh of other animals. Such animals are called omnivores. Dog, cat, bear, crow, etc. are omnivores. Humans are the greatest omnivores. Scavengers. Animals that feed on the flesh of dead animals are called scavengers. Hyena, vulture and crow are scavengers. You must know. All the animals have different rinds of mouth structures. This helps them in eating different types of food. Extinct animals. The animals that are no longer living are called extinct animals. Some examples of extinct animals are dinosaurs, dodo, bird, and saber-toothed tiger. Animals are useful to us. We get milk from cow, buffalo, and goat. Milk is used to make many other products like khoya, paneer, and curd. We get silk from silkworm. We get wool from sheep. We get honey from honeybees. Skin of animals is used to make leather. Many things like shoes, purses, bags, belts, etc. are made of leather. You must know. Lizards can break off their tails and run away, leaving the enemy only with tail. They can later grow their tails back. Wrap up key points of the chapter. Amphibians. Animals that live both on land and water. Herbivores. Animals that eat only plants. Carnivores. Animals that eat only flesh of other animals. Omnivores. Animals that eat both plants and flesh of other animals. Arboreal. Animals that live on trees.